Alright, for the first thing in this video, we're gonna need just a blank piece of paper and a knife that you would like to replicate. I'm using one of our kitchen knives. And so what you're gonna do is you're just gonna take a pencil and draw along here. Just try and keep your knife pinned down so that it doesn't move. And there we go. Now you're gonna need a pair of scissors, and we're just gonna cut out roughly. It doesn't even need to be that close. We can just cut it out like that far off from the knife even will work, just so that we can get a rough of where it's gonna be. All right, after that, we're gonna get our Super 77 spray glue, and I'll put a link to this stuff down in the description below. Now after you spray a little bit of that on, you can stick it on to your wood that you're using. Alright, now we're just gonna kind of angle it from this point down to the center, kind of, and kind of make a point with the same saw. So let's do that. Alright, there we go. Now we just gotta hit it up with some sanding. This is gonna look so cool when it's done. Now we are just gonna get it all sanded down. So, let's get to it. And now we're gonna get it sanded down perfect. And now this is when we're gonna sharpen it as much as we would like, just by taking your sandpaper and making this more of a fine edge. Just like that. And you can make more of a point on it if you want, but I wouldn't want it like breaking off. Just make it as sharp as you would like it. Then we'll head on to the next step. Now we're gonna be putting a coat of this polyurethane stuff on, and I'll put a link to this down in the description as well.